Now, in this lecture, we will talk about organization of Indian Railways. Means when was Indian Railway started, basically. So, Indian Railways was started in the year 1816. It was named as Indian Tramway under the Act of 1816. Later, it was named as Indian Railways under the Act 1890, which was amended from time to time. Now, it is the biggest public undertaking now presently by the government of India, having a capital of amount about rupees 5 lakh 60,000 million. So this is the organization of Indian Railways, how it was organized and running at present time.